back to Crock-Pot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making baked potatoes in the Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker. This is a request from one of our viewers, Natalie. Thank you so much, Natalie, for requesting this video. I hope you all enjoy it, and let's get cooking our baked potatoes in the Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker. You're going to need anywhere from 2 to 6 russet baking potatoes that have been washed and dried. And now we're just going to drizzle some EVOO onto our potatoes. This is completely optional. I just find that it makes for a crispier skin outside, and if the potato is done this way with a little bit of salt, I love eating the whole potato, skin and all. So now that we've got our potatoes coated, we're going to add a generous amount of coarse sea salt to the outside skins of the potato. And that olive oil is going to help the sea salt adhere to the skin of the potatoes. And don't worry if it looks like you have too much salt. A lot of it during the baking process is going to fall off. And so now we're going to add our trivet to our inner pot along with 1 cup of water. Now, another optional step that I've tried both ways is piercing your potatoes. Here I've pierced them, but you don't have to. I've tried this both ways and they both come out perfectly, and the ones with no holes didn't explode. But here's my disclaimer. I'm going to leave that up to you whether you pierce your potatoes, but just be careful. Okay, back to business. Now that our potatoes are in the pot, we're going to turn the lid to lock and place the valve on no venting. Press the steam button, adjust the time to 23 minutes, and then press start. When the timer goes off, do an immediate pressure release and you have perfectly cooked baked potatoes. Look at that knife just go through them like butter. Okay, now for the fun part, dressing our baked potato. What do you like to have on yours? I like to get fancy, just like a restaurant, and open up my potato from the sides perfectly. What do you say we add some shredded cheese and a dollop or 2 of sour cream? And if you want to make your potato loaded, add butter, bacon, and chives. Thank you so much, Natalie, for your request. I love hearing from all of you, and I'm so glad you're here. If there's a dish or recipe that you'd like to see me cook here on Crock-Pot Empire, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll definitely add it to my list. I love hearing from all of you, so please keep the comments and feedback coming. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please go give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you never miss an episode on Crock-Pot Empire. And thank you so much for watching. I wouldn't be able to do this if it weren't for you, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. I truly do appreciate you being here. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you right back here next time on Crock-Pot Empire.